God commands us to fear Him because that's what we're made to do. God only commands what gives Him the highest glory and for us the greatest good. His command for us to fear Him is not from an evil pursuit of praise for Himself. God is not evil. Everything He does is pure and righteous. So, this means that fearing God must be for His glory and our own good. When anyone genuinely attempts this, great fear will come upon them. Suddenly, God won't seem so small anymore. Or so insignificant. God's greatness will be overwhelming. Anything put beside God will be infinitely smaller and much less worthy of our time, energy, and talents. God's anger will be seen, not just His love. God's justice will be felt as well. Not only His compassion and mercy. Praise God.